In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive project in Base44. We're going to use a simple, reliable approach that keeps your work safe and easy to find later. Instead of deleting or hiding anything, you'll create a clean duplicate of your project and let the original sit quietly in your dashboard. Think of it as parking the old version while you keep moving forward on the new one. Start by opening your project in the Base44 editor. Give it a moment to load so everything initializes properly. When you're in, head to the dashboard. This is where you'll find the controls that relate to the overall app, not just the content in the editor. Inside the dashboard, click Settings, then choose App Settings. This is where Base44 keeps the tools that affect your entire project. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Clone App. This feature is designed to mirror your project's current state so you can work from a fresh copy without touching the original. Click Create Copy. Base44 will immediately generate a duplicate and open it for you. You'll know you're in the new version because the project name will include the suffix copy. That label is your quick visual cue, and it's helpful to pause for a second here and make sure you see it so you don't accidentally keep editing the original. From this point on, treat the duplicate as your active workspace. Continue all edits, testing, and updates in the copy, and simply leave the original alone in your dashboard. The original effectively becomes your archived version, still accessible if you need to reference it, but no longer part of your day-to-day work. This setup gives you a clear separation between what's current and what's preserved, which is great for rollback confidence and for keeping a record of how your project looked before new changes. A few quick pointers as you proceed. The copy suffix makes it easy to verify you're in the right project. Make a habit of glancing at the title before making significant changes. Because the duplicate opens instantly, there's no downtime, and you can switch context without interrupting your workflow. And since the original remains intact, you can revisit it later if you need to check an earlier configuration or compare behavior. That's it. Open your project, go to the dashboard, select Settings and App Settings, scroll to Clone App, click Create Copy, and then carry on your work in the duplicate while letting the original rest as your informal archive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Base44 projects organized and safe.